back, my friends. Healthcare is my specialty since my full-time corporate work-from-home job is in the healthcare field. So that is what I have for you today, a healthcare work-from-home job lead. Of course, as always, the links to everything I share in case you're interested in putting that application in is in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Mindful Health Solutions. Now, they are a psychiatric group practice that frees patients from the burden of depression and other mental health burdens. So this healthcare system is specifically in the mental health field. They are hiring a payment posting specialist. This is remote for my United States folks only. And Mindful Health Solutions has a 3.8 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. As a payment posting specialist, you'll contribute to every stage of the revenue cycle, from submitting the claim to an insurance company, managing any denials that come in from the insurance company, and posting any payments that come in from the insurance company. For those denials, you'll follow up on the insurance claims with private and government insurance companies. So that's going to be like Medicare, Medicaid, TRICARE on the government side, and then your private ones are going to be like your United Healthcare, Blue Cross Blue Shield, all of those. You're going to provide support internally to different departments regarding any billing issues. You may have to assist patients and families with billing questions and concerns. You'll document the patient records with follow-up activities as they occur. Now, they are paying very well for this position, anywhere from $25 an hour all the way up to $28 an hour. Of course, final pay they offer is always based on location and experience. Now, they desire a bachelor degree, but they do not require one. Only a high school diploma or a GED is required. They are looking for somebody who has some kind of a previous experience in the medical billing or insurance field. Of course, in the healthcare industry, you have to know your Microsoft Office programs, Word, Excel, Outlook, all of those things. And of course, knowing the medical billing and insurance field, they want someone who's familiar with medical terminology and CPT codes and ICD-10 codes. Someone who has great attention to detail, who can be highly organized and has strong communication skills. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Also, if you have any suggestions on how I could make this a channel better, things I could improve on or do differently, leave those down in the comments below. I am always looking to improve. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.